It's a flavorful journey spanning 3 generations of cooking and baking expertise. Yan ang tatak Mo and Del's. Pagdating naman sa ambience, talagang mapapawaw ka dito dahil napakaganda, napaka-spacious at napakalinis ng kanilang resto. And what's incredible about Mo and Del's is the story about every dish. Kaya naman bawat pagkain isa-serve sa inyo ay sigurado akong masasarapan kayo. Isa sa nagustuhan ko dito ang kanilang Paella Valenciana. It's the perfect balance of flavor with seafoods and perfectly cooked rice. Isa sa marirecommend ko dito na pwede nyo ring matry ang kanilang masarap na palabok negra. First time kong matry ang black pasta noodles na may seafood toppings, lechon kawali at masarap na sauce. They also serve barbecue chicken leg quarter na may kasama ng java rice at mga side dishes. Available din sa kanilang menu ang kanilang roast chicken, open face roast chicken sandwich, karay salmon and crunch tuna roll. Isa rin sa nagustuhan ko dito ang kanilang French Riviera pasta. Simple, suabe pero napakalasa ng kanilang sauce. For something light and refreshing naman, you have to try their kani salad. It's a mix of crab sticks, crunchy veggies, creamy dressings, and the perfect balance of sweet mangoes. Meron din silang mga refreshing beverages, coffee, malambot at bagong lutong Pinoy pandesal, cupcakes, mini cakes, and pastries for desserts. Kaya kung naghahanap ka ng magandang lugar, masarap na food, cakes and pastries, come and visit Mo and Del's. Enjoy mga senyora, mga tana!